$5,098 years ritual and lifestyle of Kashmiri Pandits. Agnihotra for the well-being of the home and the society at large and the world and the whole cosmos, universe. Gauri Amba Ambur Akhi Gaunin. In the name of Maharagna, who sits at the board of Sakrishwar, and of course Kheer Bhavani Tulmula. Jai ho, jai ho, jai ho. Thank you, thank you. God bless Sister Sister Kailash Mehra. You made our day. And you made our 22nd January 2023. God bless Kashmiri Pandits. God bless Shada Kher and PK Kher and her clan, and God bless the humanity and the whole world. 8:45 dot and need to go. Jai ho, Bharat Mata ki jai, Bharat Mata ki jai. Thank you. Bharat Mata ki jai, jai. Thank you.